Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlord's umkhokha the curse. Today it was short, simple and straight to the point. Phakathwayo is not happy with the decision that uNobuntu has taken, because the decision that uNobuntu has taken turned him into a violent man. After all the horrible things that uNdlovu has said, he was forced to go to penal beating, and after the penal beating, he just felt like a horrible man. However, uNdlovu deserved it, guys. uNdlovu deserved it, and no one can say they're not in agreement, because uNdlovu ya papa, and we all cannot wait for Velase to deal with him accordingly. But with that said, he cried in the face kaNobuntu and said, you have started, so here's a knife, finish your job. Yo guys, I was like crying. Velasi was crying. Not Velasi, I'm now exaggerating. No man, Phakathwayo was crying, I was crying, Nobuntu was crying, Mamzobe was like, we were all crying, right? Remember, I'm crying because now I'm invested in this storyline, and I pray with I get myself out, but I'm deep into it. So we're all crying. Probably you were crying as well, but you won't admit it, in the comment section. But nonetheless, Phakathwayo looked like he had given up. It looked like Ukai was like, I'm done, I'm tired. But Ukai went into a prayer room and prayed for forgiveness and prayed for understanding and prayed for patience. It's like, yo, Phakathwayo is one of a kind, honestly. But here's a difficult one. He was instructed by uZamcolo to go and apologize to uNdlovu, despite all the things that uNdlovu has said, because he said there were other ways to handle the matter. Violence is not the solution. So therefore, you need to cleanse itempela lenkosi. On top of that, you need to ensure that wena right noNdlovu. So those are the balls that will be rolling. Will he apologize? Sizobona kahle le ndaba. But mina ngithi uNdlovu punishwa nini? While uKhulekani got 150,000 rands from YouTube, right? And he was so happy, and they're deciding they're gonna put it away to buy their own home. And uManzimande and uZamcolo are very worried with what was Khulekani's dream, because uKhulekani is not saying anything, and they know ukuthi uMvelase Magazile uze no message. So all they want is to hear that message. Will Khulekani tell the message? I doubt. Propheto, I doubt. But with that said, this is your girl, Disebo D. Thank you for watching. I love you. Peace. Bye.